XENCELABS, drawing tablet, wireless graphic tablet with shortcut keys, ultra-thin pen tablet with 2 battery-free stylus, 8192 levels pressure, 12 inches digital art pad for Win Mac Linux, black. Professional digital design tablet. This tablet was co-designed with the input of industry-leading creatives. The active area, 10.33 x 5.8, has true 16:9 aspect ratio to match industry standard displays. Quick keys, working in unison with the tablet, it gives you 5 sets of 8 keys, a total of 40 programmable functions per application. There is also an OLED display that shows you each key assignment at a glance. This enables you to make logical key groupings for specific steps in the workflow. Battery-free digital pens. The pen tablet ships with 2 pens of different diameters and number of buttons. Both pens come with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt recognition and virtually no lag. Driver design. You can quickly access the settings from the buttons at the top of the pen tablet. The driver settings also make it easy to customize the included quick keys. You can change, rename sets, keys and device orientation. Eco-friendly packaging. With package design, we use environmentally friendly boxes with insert.
Please subscribe now our channel for every new